Welcome everyone. My name is Hemant Patil and my project partner is Harshvardhan Adnai. We are from the New College Kolhapur Department of Electronics and our project title is IoT based traffic management system, which is under the theme Innovation in Engineering and Technology. So the brief introduction about our project. So the brief introduction about our idea or project is as we are upgrading our technology in almost every field. But in the case of traffic management, we are not using the technology much enough. We are using old traffic signal system which has lots of drawbacks such as if there is a no vehicle during the green signal, then there is a no such a mechanism to check the presence of vehicle so the green signal stays until the delay of 20 seconds gets over. We can't predict accurate live traffic predictions without getting users' location data. For emergency conditions like ambulance, there is no such a mechanism to provide signal access to the ambulance or any other emergency conditions. So drawbacks with today's traffic prediction system is that we need location data of lots of users, which for all that problems we came with an unique solution of IoT-based smart traffic management, which will solve all these problems related to traffic predictions and traffic related problems. By implementing this system, we can achieve ideal traffic management system. So we have for solving these problems, we have developed this prototypical model and the application for this model that will solve all the problems related to traffic. Then how we got the problem statement. So for getting the problems, we have interviewed the traffic police SK Hublikar at Bindusok, Kolhapur. So they said that we don't have any access to the emergency services in traffic system. We are wasting so much time on red signal. And according to our survey of 115 people, almost 90% Indians are using Google Maps, which uses location data for their navigation. And as we have mentioned above that wastage of time on red signal, so during the wastage of time, that time the some of people, what do they just on their vehicles and don't turn off their vehicles, so we are polluting, they pollute the environment. Then what is my solution about the problem? So my solution for the ambulance access is we have developed an application based smart traffic management system. We have developed a prototypical model for this system where we have this application. When someone or the ambulance driver will open this application, they have the option for sign in, and then after signing by the username and password which we provide, so that the only ambulance drivers will get the access of that application. So after getting the access, they will have this screen. What they have to do? They have to just click on this emergency button. Then after clicking this button, their mobile's audio recognition system will be open, and they have to say where they have to go or what is the destination point of their journey. So after that, the mobile application automatically set the where they have to go or where the ambulance have to go. So on that, after the destination is chosen, the traffic signals related to that road will be green for them, and after that, then after reaching the destination point, they have to just click reset, so that all the green signals have to in the previous conditions. Since our next problem is, so our next solution is the system uses density based traffic signal with the help of laser technology. So we have introduced laser technology for detection of vehicle. So we have this system, so our system do that we just detect there is a vehicle present or not. If there is no vehicle during the green signal, the signal will be used that time to the other red signal. So we are not wasting, or we are as a result of less time consumed in red signal, which will reduce the vehicle on-time pollution due to the red signal. Then our third problem and solution is for navigation purposes. Almost as I mentioned, 90% of Indians uses Google Maps. And what Google Maps do? They just predicts the accurate time, accurate uh, traffic predictions by using the Google location data of all the users. But in our application, we don't need any location data. We just calculate our traffic predictions by analyzing the on time of green signal. This application provides live predictions of urban area on the basis of on time of green signal. So how my solution is innovative? First thing we have implemented is integration of IoT technology. We have implemented IoT technology in our prototypical model as well as our application. So our application communicates with that prototypical model and by wirelessly with the help of IoT. So this makes this system reliable and more attractive. Then emergency access features. In almost everywhere we do any system don't have emergency access to the emergency ambulance or emergency vehicles. So our system they added that emergency access to the ambulance. By adding this point, we can say that our solution is innovative. Optimization of traffic signal timing. So by density-based traffic management system, we can optimize the traffic signal time. Traffic predictions without location data. As I mentioned before, we are getting the traffic predictions without location data. And the prototypical model works very well about this application as well as all the innovative ideas like integration of IoT, emergency access, optimization of traffic signal. All this idea works very well on our prototypical model as well as our mobile application. So this is our flow diagram how our application and system works. As you can see, here is our mobile application. Then the mobile application sends commands or receive commands from real-time database. Then the real-time database stores that data for real-time and give this access to the Arduino or ESP32 as well as our mobile application. What our ESP32 do? They just get data from a real-time database or same data to real-time database, process that data and give the output which we need. This is our process. Then come to the circuit diagram. As we have connected all these traffic signals to the digital pins of our ESP32, and we have connected the analog input pins of LDR to the analog input of our ESP32. Then we have connected 4 lasers for the vehicle detections. This is our circuit diagram for our project on IoT-based traffic management system. Then, as I mentioned, our system provides density-based traffic management system. As you can see here, we have implemented the laser transmitter and laser receiver system after the 35 meters of traffic signal, so that after if there is a 2-second delay, then the vehicle of that area will not reach that or cross the rule of the traffic signal. So that by implementing this system, we can use the density-based traffic management system. Then feasibility of solution. We have feasibility this solution to all the aspects, such as technical feasibility. The technical components such as IoT devices and AI-based algorithms are readily available and feasible to implement. Economical viability. Cost analysis suggests a potential high return on investor due to improved traffic management and emergency response times. Legal and regulatory compliances. Compliance with traffic regulations and data privacy laws is essential but achievable. Operational practicality. Practicality. Initially, user acceptance and scalability appear promising through ongoing maintenance as support will be necessary. Environmental impact. Consideration for energy efficiency and potential environmental benefits from optimized traffic flow should be addressed, but can be achievable. So all the feasibility of this solution is achievable. Then the scalability of solution. As our 90% of Indians use the Google Maps for the navigation purposes, we can replace the Google Maps by our IoT-based traffic management system application, which is mobile application we have developed using MIT App Innovator. So hardware and software used in this system can be scalable to all over India. The system is more reliable for users, so it can be implemented in all urban areas of India. So how we can use this prototypical model or this system as a business? So we will provide subscription model. In subscription model, we will provide subscription to the users for accurate traffic prediction instead of using their data. Government agencies collaborate with municipal or regional government agencies responsible for traffic management to deploy our solution in urban areas. Emergency service provider. We will also collaborate with ambulance services, fire departments, and law enforcement agencies to prioritize emergency vehicle passage through traffic signals. Then I will show the actual prototype working of our system. For that we have this image. So as you can see here, we have considered that this is our ambulance, and we have sent command to our mobile application to this system. So after sending the command, after some time, our destination point is chosen to child hospital, and the green signal for that to reach this destination point, we can see here our signal is green for this ambulance. Then our traffic prediction without location data can be seen here. So as you can see here, here we have heavy traffic and here we have less traffic. So as in the direction of heavy traffic road, we can see here a red road, and in the direction of low traffic, we can see here orange line on that road. So as you can see here, a red line indicates that this road consists of heavy traffic. Then density-based traffic management system. As you can see here, we have a green signal, and our car is not cross the signal, so that our green signal is green until the laser system is not detected. So whenever the vehicle or car crosses this road, then this green signal will be yellow. So as you can see, this car crosses the laser, so you can see that our signal is turned to red. So we will see actual video footage of our density-based traffic management system. So as you can see here, we have this green signal now, and our car is here. And what I will do, I will just put this car and keep this car on the other other road, or in the forward direction of this road, so that this road will be empty, and I will put this car to this road, and then you can see here after 2 seconds the signal turns to yellow and our system works very well. So density based traffic management system, we can say that our system works very well for this road drive model. Then for emergency traffic management system, we have this application. As you can see here, we have selected the destination point, and after clicking the emergency, we have selected the destination point, and then for that emergency destination point, our ambulance is here and we have to go to child hospital. Then after some time, as you can see here is the red, and you can see here is yellow and green. So this green signal stays green until I click reset button, and this green signal also turn on the buzzer that indicates our system or our traffic is in emergency condition. As you can see, after clicking the reset button, our system gets to its previous conditions. So that's our system and prototypical model, which works very well in our mobile application as well as our simulating real life example like ambulance features and density based traffic management system. All the systems works very well, and the live simulation of this system has been done, and all prototypical model as well as mobile application works very well. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, then like video and subscribe the channel.